Hi everyone, I'm Dom and I'm here to do a little quick review on the Beeline Moto. I wanted to do a review on this Beeline because I ordered it off Kickstarter quite a few months ago, and it's just finally come through, and I've got to say it's absolutely fantastic. It's £99 where it was when I ordered, and basically a little box like this comes through, and when you open it up you're greeted with a nice little thank you card from the team there at Beeline, and you can see it's a small little team out of London in England, so again it's great to support British companies with British innovation, and what they have created is just brilliant if you have a motorbike. So here it is, the Beeline. Now I've got the backlit on and you can see this little motorbike as I twist it around, so it's a little gyroscope going on in there. Absolutely brilliant. Love little details like that. Basically, the Beeline itself, if you don't know, is a satellite navigation system. Now, it was originally designed for bicycles, but I'm not going to hold that against them. Anyone knows me knows I hate cyclists. But on the motorbike, cleanse cyclists out. On the motorbike, it's brilliant. I mean, it's a small device, and what happens is you pair it up to your phone, iPhone and Android. You launch the app, Beeline app, and you can mess it out with the settings in the app, or you can go on here, up at the top you can see there are two buttons either side to flick it along, and we can go into settings, we can check the battery, and I can also turn off that backlight, turn it back on. It's dark at the moment, so the backlight would be handy. And there's another button at the bottom to confirm. So, you know, it's really very intuitive to use and also very, very simple. So basically you pair it up with your phone, you set the route that you want, and it's all powered by Google Maps. So if you like Google Maps and their routing, that's what you're going to get. So if you use Waze, same sort of thing. So basically what happens is on here, you get an arrow that looks like here on the box. And you can watch Beeline's video. It's only 2 minutes long, and it will explain, you know, what it is and how it looks when you're running it. But basically, you have two modes on the sat nav. You have normal sat nav, which gives you your arrow, and it gives you a dot, you know, and it says like, you know, turn. The dot says you're going to be turning left next, you're going to be turning right next, and you've got your, you know, your directional compass with the countdown to the next turning. Which is all good and, you know, great little normal traditional sat nav if you like. But what they also have is this Beeline, the bird's eye view, which is brilliant. Now what that does is it just gives you a compass bearing. So you know I want to go in that direction. The compass is always going to point you there, and you just find your own way on the bike, which is brilliant. You know, it's what riding is about, going out and getting lost. So that is brilliant for itself. To describe the product, it's plasticky feeling, not that you're going to be holding it, it's sat on your handlebars. Very small, very discreet, doesn't get in your way at all while riding. I've not ridden it at night to have the backlit on, I've ridden during the day to have it off. It is waterproof, but it hasn't rained here yet to test. And to mount it on the bike, I've just taken it off, but to show you is this giant wedding ring. So what you do is you have a little Allen key, this bit comes apart, and you have these two circles that go in between to limit down if your handlebars are a bit bigger. Then that sits on your handlebars, you come along with your Beeline, pop that on there and click it, and that's it. So it's sat on your handlebar, obviously like that, you're looking at it, great. And then when you're finished, you just twist and pull it off, and that just stays on your bike. Absolutely brilliant, no problem at all there. It also then comes with a charger that's on a USB, but the battery is meant to last 30 hours, and standby time is probably forever. So basically, if you've got £100 spare, I would really recommend going out and buying this. Like I say, the finish is a bit plasticky. They do a brushed aluminium version, but you're not handling it. So the only way to describe the tactile feel would be if you have an Amazon Kindle and you have an iPad, that's probably the difference if you get the brushed metal or you get the plastic version like this. The plastic version is brilliant. They're a young British company, still on Kickstarter. My advice is if you've got £100 and a motorbike, go buy one. Hope this video has been useful. Do go on Beeline's video, and it's only 2 minutes long, and you can check out how the sat nav part of it works, and I'm sure you'll be sold like I have. So hope that's been useful for you guys. Take care.